Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Manhattan triple. Obviously this is off a first move Manhattan, so knowing how to do a first move Manhattan would be a really good place to start. And if you've got any experience doing triples before, maybe something like an Arm Jive Triple, then you're going to be really set up for this move. So links in the description below for those, by the way. So it goes like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. So let's break it down. Obviously you're going to need a little bit of space behind the guy for this one, so hence why we're starting over here, because we're there going, okay, we've got about 1.5 meters there, that's going to be good. So we go semicircle back, we come in just like a first move, we twist the lady out just like we would to do a Manhattan from a first move. So as we twist the lady out, lady goes back on her right, the guys turn towards the lady and go forwards on the left, but we keep going to take 2 more steps, 1, 2, and then we carry on as if we're in our Manhattan. So we come and replace, then we do the other side, back and replace, other side again, forwards and replace from a leader's perspective, and then we're going to do the triple backwards. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, then we get the replace, and then this time we could carry on with the Manhattan and we do more repeats, or we could do our exit, and we're going to do our exit just to kind of get on with it. We twist the lady out, guys twist left at the same time, and then we finish the first move off. In, under and face, return and back. So we'll do the same thing from the other side to give you a different view, and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, inside by side 2, we twist and chase the lady 3 and keep going through, and 4, then we replace 5, back 6, replace 7, forward 8, replace 1, tripling 2 and 3, replace 4, and then it's the twist out and in 5 and 6, turning 7 and 8, returning 1 and back 2, and that is the whole thing. So let's do it. Here we go. And 5, 6, Manhattan triple. We go a back, in, triple step, replace, rock and replace, rock and replace, triple step, replace, twist, twist, turn, face, return and back. And that is it. We'll put a music recommendation on the end in the little windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video of something nice to practice to. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.